Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your status in Microsoft Teams desktop clients or desktop application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft desktop application, and then you will need just to connect with your Microsoft Teams or your Outlook account, and after that you will need just to follow the simple steps. So basically, after you connect your account, you will find this view as follow. And now we will need to go to our profile picture so we can change our status. So basically, we click on our profile picture, and here you will find available. And when you click on it, you will find the list of all the available status that you can attribute to your account. So basically, if you click on busy, you will find yourself that you are busy, and you can add everything appears offline, etc. Another way to do it, if you are using Windows, all you need to do is to go to the icon here at the bottom of your Microsoft Teams, and as you can see, just hover your mouse on it, and you will be able to change the status this way. Also, you can do it here in the mini applications or here in the hidden icons, and you can just right click on Microsoft Teams, and as you can see, you will go to my status and you will choose the status that you want. For example, just make it available, and our status in our Teams desktop application will be changed automatically. So basically, this is how you can change your status in Microsoft Teams desktop application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.